Check 1 2 1 2. I totally forgot to connect my mic. Sometimes when I connect it, because I'm using an adapter, it just completely ends the. There you go. It just completely ends the stream. Honestly, there's some beautiful stuff to look for today, so I'm looking forward to that. Just posting the streams, some more people hop in, and we will be live doing an AMA in the Legacy Discord. Today is 24 hours before the actual launch, and I'm sure if you're looking at my screen right now on the charts, you can see exactly what's happening. You can see exactly what we're looking for. This is clean and easy, guys. This is literally a clean and easy day. We swept out the previous low. We literally closed right inside of right on top of an IFEG that got respected two times. This would be the third time. And now we're running up. So obviously, we're looking for sell side overall. Like, we want to see these lows swept. But it's not time for those lows to get swept. This sell side was as much as we're getting in the most bullish month of the year. So that's why I have this up here right now. Let me just make sure there's at least some people in here. Obviously, okay, 7 people. Yo, what's up, Jose? What's up, Dennis? Stuckhole, what's up? What's up? Also gotta share the usual. Gates FX. They did announce that I was going to be able to do a bunch of giveaways. For people that are signed up under me. Oh my goodness. I'm not on the right account. Whoopsies. If you haven't already signed up, go ahead and sign up under Gates FX. It takes you 5 seconds to sign up. And I'll be able to do giveaways for you guys on there. I made an agreement that, like, as long as I'm getting people to sign up, they said that they would allow me to do giveaways for you guys. So I'm going to be hosting those very soon. And gold is running really nice. We got 30 minutes until Asia session. Like I said, today I'm doing an AMA with Luca, Chris, and Nick, who you guys may be familiar with. We're doing that for Asia session. They might be trading with us too, because as soon as that's over, we're hopping in the charts. But yeah, you guys see this daily time frame? It's a little too clean. Like, look at this, guys. That's clean. And then daily bullish one that has been respected a bajillion times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I'm expecting we at least rebalance this right here. First of all, wrong thing. We at least rebalance this, and then potentially we might drop into this bearish one right here, and then maybe the IFG. But I think that's pushing it right here. This one's pushing it because it's so far in the premium. But definitely this one right here, and definitely this right here. That's a great target. And I just realized, actually we did already respect this one. We closed below it. We immediately rebalanced the daily, and then we ran down. So I'm thinking worst case, let's see, where would we melt from? I still think today the daily candle is going to be bearish. We're approaching NFP, guys. It's still going to be bearish. Like, I think we're going to close bearish. End of the week, we're closing bearish. Look at the weekly range already. Like, that's insane. That's a huge bearish move. I think we're going to keep running. My overall target is right here. Why? No wick. Let me just make sure there's no wick, because I might just not be seeing it. Okay, just make sure. Yeah, there is no wick on this candle. That's my overall target, 3,200. So once we start running on these lows, guys, it's not going to be too late to enter sells, because we're running all the way down here, 100%. Once we start running, that is. And right now is not the time. So I just showed you guys the daily time frame, what I was looking for. Now let's watch right here what happened. We closed above it. Did we tap in already? Oh my goodness, I think we barely tapped into it. Okay, we didn't tap into it. This is good. We might still get some sell side into this IFEG, and then we could just take longs prior to Asia session. Get a little scalp in there. Bang. Market daily loss limit, balance. Okay, so I can pass this account today. Let's try to do that on stream. We're gonna try to pass this account. Okay, what are we looking for? What do we have here? We're looking for it to tab back into this IFEG that I marked out, 30-minute time frame. As soon as it taps into it, which it hasn't done yet, and I just made it look like it has, but it hasn't. It barely missed it right there. Let's check any other time frames. 1 hour has yet to close above it. So once Asia session starts, we might close above it barely and then start expanding. That might be pretty good. Like I said, we're aiming for the rebalance on the daily time frame. We got some really good buy side. This is a daily level. So overall sell side, but today during Asia session, we're definitely going to get some buy side. Why? Because we're approaching August. How much days until August? Mom's 51st birthday, July? Oh, that already passed. I remember getting her a gift actually. 31st. So tomorrow's the last day of the month. Wow. Wow. And this is a bullish month, guys. Let's check out how it looks on the monthly time frame. Yeah, look, it's bearish, guys. And this is a bullish month. It's going to want to close bullish. We're going to get some beautiful buy side. I believe it. I believe in it. And we're not in a rush to take a buy setup because Asia session is in 20 minutes. I think we'll definitely get it. At least a tap back into this thing or something. Anything. What's up? What's up? Bet I'll join the AMA. Yes, sir. We're not in there yet, but we will be soon. Who understands what I'm looking for? My brother said he just spent $500 shopping. Like, what do you even buy for $500? I'm going to call this guy, and you guys are going to hear this conversation. Yo. Damn, I'm on stream right now, so you can't be saying the N-word, okay?
What?
I'm on stream right now. I just wanted to ask you, what the heck are you spending $500 at the store on?
You're on stream right now, so I can't say anything?
Yeah.
So they can all hear me?
Yes, they can all hear you.
You should maybe mute your mic then.
Nah, it's part of the conversation. What did you spend at the shopping?
So we just went shopping, you know, got 3 pairs of shoes, 2 pairs of jeans, 5 pairs of shirts.
Who went with you, Mama and Oksana?
No, just Oksana.
Why would you be spending that kind of money?
Bro, because, you know, I'm in all of it on trading.
Yeah, right. Your net profit, your net worth trading is like $500, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, big daddy pays for it.
Interesting. Okay, you watch yourself. You guys have fun. Bye, Oksana. Bye-bye. 3 pairs of pants, shoes, a whole lot of stuff you don't need. That's the real truth. What's up, Sahil? Welcome to the stream. Why is there 4 people watching is my question. What is up? Did I fall off? I think I fell off, guys. We're What you guys doing today? Do you guys know why I sold yesterday? I actually caught the sell on my live account, flipped it like 10 times. Because the 4 hour got respected. It didn't close above it. It's exactly what I was talking about on stream yesterday. I was waiting for it to close like this one during Asia session. And it just literally like kept running up. And it was super annoying. This was like a bunch of consolidation. And then news hit this morning and then it finally melted. But I got some, like, my big positions got taken out just because I was like leveraging in. So it got taken out because I didn't have enough room here for it to keep like running up. But like all my little positions made it like 10 times back. And I just caught the sell like all the way down. So now we're looking for that like reversal. I guess the first target that we can actually aim for is on the 4 hour right here. That 4 hour rebalance. I think we might get some sell side once we tap into that. On the 30-minute time frame, we have an IFG, so this is how the setup's going to look. Once we tap back into this IFG during, I should actually look at it on the 1 hour. Once we tap back into this thing on the 1 hour, that's when I'm looking for my setup. SL is just going to go right below. And then we're going to target the high right there. We're going to target the 4 hour rebalance, which is going to be 3289. 3289. It's not that far. 3289. Dang it. I'm kind of like a little bit upset that I honestly didn't think about getting in right away, because the daily level that it's running from is like so clean. Like, not only is it like a big daily bullish FVG, this one, but it's also a hella clean daily bullish IFVG. Like, look at this. First of all, that's already clean enough. We respected it a ton of times, right? That's cool and all. What's cooler is this right here. That's an IFEG that has never been disrespected yet. So we just tapped into it, boom, closed, opened, we started expanding right away. And there's no real reason to be like afraid of like entering a position on this, because it's definitely going to expand at least up here, like 100%. I'll bet money on it with you guys that it's going to come up here during Asia, 100%. Even if it wants to run down as soon as it does that, it's 100% going to come up here. Rebalance. Are you not on Discord? No, Discord starts in 15 minutes. We don't start early on there. Luca's going to start it up today. We're doing an AMA with me, Luca, Chris, and Nick. Ba-da-bum. Can't be letting the sauce get leaked for real. Who is ready for this? Come on. I just know this is going to be a really clean Asia session because of how massive the sell side was yesterday. It's just a little too clean. And I'm looking forward to it. Like, some days I'm just like, I'm honestly excited to just be trading. And those are my favorite days. That's the days that I do the best because I come in with like a clean mind. I'm excited, first of all, and we run it up every time. Just be trading. Market just give me one trade, one away to pass my eval. You want one trade? We're gonna get one right now. And this one's gonna be a good trade, good setup. 100% to this 3288 level. As soon as the 1 hour candle closes and it taps in right here, I'm getting in. You'll see me. I'm one trade away from passing this eval as well. So that's gonna happen right now once we tap in. I'll take the same trade on my live account. Rashik, we getting you funded. Are you passing the eval like completely getting funded, or are you just passing phase 1? This is like gonna be so clean. I just hope that it actually gives us an opportunity to get in to target this level, because like the overall Asia setup can happen like second hour of Asia, it can happen third hour of Asia, but I know for a fact that this is happening. And I just hope that it gives me a setup right now once Asia opens. And it doesn't just like start expanding up, you know. Both gonna pass the eval today, completely funded. I'll get nice, bro. That's exciting. Is this your first funded account, or you've gotten funded before? That's good stuff, bro. First funded was definitely like a high. I was just like so proud of myself, and it finally like I realized how much like I can actually make. Like once you start thinking about like the money that you can make from that account, that's when you get in your head though, you know? You start getting in your head, you're like, oh snap. Oh snap, and that's when you start making mistakes too. The left side is a 4-hour time frame, by the way. It's first. I am trading for past 3 months. Wow, funded account with only 3 months of trading. Who have you been learning from? I was watching your screenshot. What screenshot are you talking about? Your phase 1 of 100K? I'm pretty sure it's probably like a 5K account. What size is your account, Rashik? Doesn't really matter though. It's like getting funded by itself is like that's enough to be proud of yourself, whether it be 5K, whether it be 100K. Alright, we got 10 minutes until Asia session starts. We just tapped into this higher IFEG. Hopefully it pulls down because it is the macro time right now. As long as it pulls down right now, it gives us a decent setup to hop in. Nothing too clean. This is gonna be really nice, and I'm excited for this to happen, but it didn't tap any of the IFEGs. A friend of mine, he's been in for 4 years. Nice, bro. Is your friend profitable? I know what a lot of people do, bro, is like they're unprofitable and they try to get all their friends in. And I mean, like, it's cool to be working on the same goals as you are with your friends, but don't put them into a field like this because trading's hard, guys. You can lose a lot of money. You can if you have a terrible mindset, if you're coming from a bad place, you can easily mess up like your psychology. You can try to like gamble to get it back. Oh, I saw your profit screenshot, so I wanted to pass the eval. I don't want to mess it up, so I just came to you to woke up this morning. 5:20 in the morning. Dang, bro. You're committed to the grind. I think we will get a beautiful setup, whether it be right now, whether we miss out on this specific trade right now or not. I think we're definitely going to get a great setup like later in the day too. Today's going to be just a really good day. The price action's good. Yesterday was terrible because even though we got a huge move, I caught this move, but even though we got that, look at this. Look at what actually happened yesterday. This is a whole bunch of sideways consolidation, and it was super bad to be inside of this range. Like, I hate being inside of this range because you lose a lot of money if you try to take positions inside of this range and you're not swing trading. So it's really difficult to do that. It's definitely like it's hard for me to accept that it might run on this target without me, but it's something that we have to do as traders to understand that, like, hey, I didn't get a setup. Like, as much as I wanted to take this trade, I didn't get my setup yet. Asia session starts in 7 minutes, so it might still give me an entry. But in the worst case, it's fine. It's fine, guys. It's better not to get in because there is no setup. Like, if I made money off this trade but I didn't follow my plan, then, like, what did I really win at the end of the day? Not really. It's a 25K. Dang, bro, that's huge. Where are you from, Rashik? Because it kind of sounds like a Indian name. 25K funded in India would be crazy because I know you guys, like, the monthly salary there is, like, super small. Monthly salary USD in India. $400, bro. Like, that's crazy. You know what I mean? With 125K, you can make easily like a few thousand. Easily, you can make a few thousand. So you're gonna be living good, dude. That's huge, bro. Congrats, bro. Good luck on this account. Is there any specific video of your entry model? I just made a video on my other channel. On one of my favorite models. Definitely a good watch. I know I had this thing. I don't know why it's not working. This shouldn't show me the stuff that. I don't know why it's not working. I like it when it hides my thumbnails, so I'm not like distracted by any of this stuff. Anyways, that wasn't what I was looking for. You're 17 too, bro? You're literally about to retire your whole family, bro, with that 25K account. This secret strategy. It's quarterly theory. One of my favorite strategies. If you want to give it a watch, go drop a sub on my channel. And I gotta pull up the stream though. Bro, this guy Justin is a great guy. Justin Weirlin? Justin Weirlin? Or your friend? Justin Weirlin. Are you talking about a video that you saw? This guy? Justin Weirlin. This is what you do daily? Yep. now that I have time, like I created some sort of like freedom from trading, and I'm still young too. I'm 19. So I just occupy my time by streaming. Like I get connections to people like Luca and Nick, and they let me like do stuff for their prop firms and stuff. You know, plenty of opportunities, and that all came from mastering trading, becoming a profitable day trader. This is super unfortunate, honestly. I really hope that it pulls back and gives us an opportunity to target this level, but thanks, Marky. I made 10K on this long trade. I'll mention you on story. Are you serious? There's no shot you got in. There's no shot you got in, bro. No shot. I don't believe it. This guy's always bagging out off my streams, bro. Patron, you gotta chill out. Come on, man. You can't be bagging out when I'm not bagging out. That's not fair. You gotta send me my split, bro. Pay for my lunch today. But yeah, this was a really good target. Like, I love using rebalances, especially if it's like clean like this, coming from a daily level. Like, remember, today's trade is coming from a nice daily level. Bang, bang. Really nice daily level here. And really nice daily level right here. I'll just do extend to the right so I don't have to drag this thing. Let me save that. Bang. So when I scaled down and saw that we were targeting this little rebalance, I think that's what we're going to hit first as soon as Asia opens up. And then we'll probably get a little bit of a pullback, but this is definitely an A+ target. Like, you can see the market didn't wait for any confirmation, and it just like started expanding up there. Bagging out here. Rashik, don't worry, bro. With a 25K funded, like, that's the first step towards doing it daily for yourself. Like, that's huge, bro. You don't even understand the amount of opportunities you'll get with that account. I know I've probably asked this before, but what prop firm are you using, Patron? 400K? Is that an FTMO account? Let me know if they ever deny your payout. I gotta cook that up. Asia session, bang, let's run it. Alright, I'm also about to tune into this AMA. Hey, people are already in here. Who's ready for the live trading session plus AMA tonight? These flies, bro. I don't want to break your guys' ears, so. I think I got it. Hey, hey. Yeah, FTMO. Knew it. How long it takes you to be profitable? Once you start passing those funded accounts, and if you just keep reinvesting, you keep getting better. You're confident in your system. Like, I'm confident in my system. I know that it happens at a specific time every day. I have a lot of different things that I can aim for. Then that's when you determine profitability. You just pass your accounts and you actually start getting payouts. When did you achieve your first 10K in trading? Definitely when I started trading live. I never once took a payout bigger than like I think my biggest payout ever was like 4K on prop firms because I always traded with the 100K account and I had to wait a week for a payout. So I always like withdrew every time I was like 3K. I'm like, okay, I'm done trading. That was a lot of money for me. As soon as I started trading live though, and I was able to take a payout every single day, I finally started like aiming for more, and I ended up getting like a 12K trade while I was like literally like overnight. I stayed up till like 5 a.m. taking that trade. The boys are ready. The boys are ready. That was beautiful though. That was still beautiful. I could have definitely gotten in that setup with a worse RR, like with a little bit of a worse RR, but I wasn't expecting it to run like that right as soon as Asia started. But you'll see right now, as soon as we fill this gap, we might get some sell side. Also looking for it to close up above this FEG. Let me go to the higher time frame here. We got the 30-minute. Let's check the 1 hour. Okay, we got a new 1 hour candle. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I saw all your payout on Telegram. You were smash funding pips. Yeah. Discord or YouTube, whose chats are you going to read? I always read the Discord chats. I'm just, because the YouTube ones are a little delayed, so I can't really talk with you guys. Anyways, I'm hopping in.
What's up, Chris?
Yo.
Yo, what's up? I see you flexing the pecs right now.
I can't make a move. Don't get me started, bro.
Yo, relax.
How you guys doing?
Yo, what's good, boys?
What's
up?
Mark?
Where you at, Mark?
Boom. You guys missed my 12 monitor setup. The more monitors, the more payouts that you get.
Wait, was it different before? I see a video. Are you guys posting the link right now? Up through?
Yeah, I'm also live on YouTube, so you guys, everyone who's on YouTube, be sure you join the stream. There's a little bit of a delay.
Alright guys. Hope you guys are doing well. Big news. First off, thank you guys all that are here. Like I said, bro. Thank you, Nick. All right, guys. So a lot of you guys I've been getting a ton of DMs on Discord. Everyone's been asking, guys, updates. When have we launched and all that type of stuff. First off, shout out to all you guys who are here, because you guys get first access to the knowledge. What we're gonna go over today is obviously I'm gonna give you guys the pre-launch date. We're gonna go over. I actually want to interview some of the educators we have with us. If you guys have not been tuning into the live trading sessions, we've been calling absolute bangers. Mark, Chris, Nick, every single session is covered, guys. New York, 6:45 a.m. Mark goes live at Asia at 5, and Nick here during London at 11:45, which is absolutely amazing. You guys get nonstop, every session covered. You guys can come watch me during Power Hour as well. It's super amazing. So what I want to get into is the question everyone's been asking when it comes to when can you guys expect the pre-launch and pre-sale to go live. And I'm happy to come and tell you guys that I gotta pull it up here. Oh wait, hold on. Put this over here. Let's look at this here. Alright guys. Spam it. Spam W's in the chat if you guys are ready. W's. Let's go. Awesome. So I'm gonna share my screen right here, guys. The official launch day of the OG member presale at the start of Legacy is 23 hours and 54 minutes away, guys. Tomorrow at this exact same time, you guys can expect us all to be here, launch. Everyone can go, enter the pre-sale, get your guys's, get your name in. You guys will obviously get the OG member perks. If you guys do not know what the OG member perks include, we're gonna go over right now. A lot of people obviously ask what they can expect for that. And I also want to answer how you guys can go about getting some of the things that are included. So right here, you guys can see Cody in the chat. Cody, on our first ever AMA, won our first giveaway of an OG member spot. You can see here in the Discord, his name stands out, the light green. If you kind of like, go over it, it changes color. It's all luminescent. It's pretty cool. And next to it, you get the badge, the OG member badge. So not only are you guys get that in the Discord, but there's a private section in the Discord for OG members only, where year-round you guys are going to see if there's discounts going on that we're dropping for, let's say, site-wide for the entire, for the entire site. Well, we're going to go and beat those prices and give you guys bigger discounts for the OG members, for those who obviously went and helped us from the beginning. So we appreciate that. Obviously, I want to, treat you guys, and have you guys stand out a little bit. So on top of that, inside of the OG member Discord, you guys can expect a bunch of education calls like we've been doing, but even more in depth when it comes to back testing, reviewing trades. We can sell, send charts and all that type of stuff. Is all type of, is gonna be great. So we buy the pre-sale for OG spot. Yeah, so it's one of the things included in the sale is all the perks that I kind of went over right there, including also, if you want to, can you hand me the plaque over there? If you guys don't know about the plaques, we keep talking about the plaques for people who maybe this is your guys' first AMA you guys have hopped on. But this is some plaques you guys can see. Super, super cool. Get your name, different stuff on it. But you guys, for the first members in the OG sale, we have plaques for you guys for once you guys get funded, and all that. So where can you buy it? So everyone, I'm going to send this coming soon link right now. Everyone put in your information. You guys will see at the bottom of this coming soon page is the information to sign up for exclusive access. What that's going to do is you guys are going to get the first link. So we're going to send out a mass email to anyone who is a part of this to get your guys' first access, because it could sell out, guys. Like I said, you want to be limited with the people we want to include in the OG member pre-sale for the beginning. So if you guys are, want to become part of it, you guys know where to be. So that's the link. Make sure you guys fill out the information. You guys will get the first emails. Then obviously we're going to be announcing it in the Discord, on the Instagram, and just making sure everyone's aware of where it's at and stuff. So make sure you guys go put in your information there in the email, and get excited, guys. We're going to have Mamba obviously coming on, talking to you guys more. It's going to be absolutely amazing. So yes, done. Appreciate it. Hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. Put some W's in the chat if you guys are ready. Come on now. Less than 24 hours. You guys been waiting patiently. We're super excited to, get it out for you guys, to let you guys start getting kind of ready, guys. And then this next week, guys, is when we're going to look into fully launch some stuff. Guys, let's go. All those W's in the chat. We appreciate y'all. Fired up, fired up. There's one more thing I want to announce that I think is going to excite a lot of you guys when it comes to the sale and just the firm in general, which is a rule that I think makes us stand out amongst a lot of other firms that I think a lot of you guys are going to get excited for. So if you guys are ready, put some 41s in the chat, 41s in the chat, 41s in the chat. I think it's pretty cool. We're one of the only firms that do this. Let's go. So I wanted to announce this for you guys to get you guys even more excited for when you guys get to go and get your guys' accounts. But the thing I want to tell you guys is we're one of the only firms that is going to have funded resets. What does that mean? That means if you guys get funded, look at Chris's face, he's hyped. He was like, no way. We have funded resets. What that means is that if you guys get funded, let's say you guys actually pass the challenge, you guys get funded, you guys, if you fail the funded, will be able to just pay a price to just send it straight back to live. You don't have to go start the challenge over, start back from zero. You guys literally will just be able to send your account back to funded. Like if you guys already have a funded account, you guys will be able to reset it, get it funded back again. So if you guys, I thought that was obviously W. In the chat, everyone, if you guys think about it, when you guys actually do get funded, you guys can then, not have to worry about, oh, if I blow this, all this type of stuff. I think it brings the pressure off you guys a little bit because, that's actually, let's go. Big W's. So I think it's obviously amazing. Thinking back to when I was a trader looking for funding options and prop firms, I feel like when I first was getting funded for my first accounts, one of the things that always was hard is you're scared to blow them. You're a little bit nervous to trade on the accounts the way you maybe usually do because you're like, I really don't want to lose this account. Or, well, if I had this option, I think it'd bring a little stress off of me because I'd be less, scared to maybe blow the account and take all the steps I want to, because I know that worst case scenario, I can reset the account and then run it up to get the payout on that second try. You know what I'm saying? How many resets? I mean, we're gonna have unlimited resets for you guys. Keep running it up. Run it up. The prices are gonna be on the page tomorrow, guys, so you guys will be able to see them on the website. It'd be awesome. Yes, sir. 41s. Awesome, guys. Hell yeah. So I thought it was one thing that was pretty cool. If you guys were not on the last AMA, we did go over some of the account rules, what you guys can expect. I gave you guys a look at the dashboard, like the trader's dashboard. It looks obviously amazing. And we also gave you guys some updates and went over. If you guys haven't gone back, all of these recordings are on the Legacy Funding YouTube. And you guys can go back and watch when we go over education stuff, all type of stuff. And especially when we start doing live streams on the YouTube, we're going to start clipping those, doing educational content out over there. That's how we have the educators and stuff. It's going to be amazing. How many fund accounts can you have at one time? So that's one thing. What'll be on the rules, but I'll just give you guys a sneak peek. How that's going to work is that at one time, you guys can have a max of 3 funded accounts at once. But that doesn't mean that you could, like, if you have 5, let's say, all that means is you kind of have 2 in the chamber. So let's say you go and you blow one, you just get reinstated with one other one. So the max funding is like 450K to start off with. Obviously, like we keep saying to you guys, is you guys are here, with us at the launch. And as we develop as a company and you guys tell us what you guys want to improve on, we're always going to be looking to improve as a company over time. Is the reset only or challenge or full funding? No, there's different resets. So you can obviously reset your account if you just want to go back to the, restart your evaluation. But I'm saying that if you guys get to the funded stage, you guys get funded and you guys for some reason do end up blowing that, you guys will be able to reset that funded account to just back to like break even, but still funded, right? You don't have to redo the thing. Let's go. Is it let's see, will we be able to scale past 450K in the future? Yes. That's what we're looking at. That's what I'm saying. So we're forever going to be looking at you guys, especially when it comes to your payouts. If you guys have accounts, you guys are getting multiple payouts over time, and you guys are showing consistency, it's going to show you, we're going to be able to scale your guys' accounts and give you access to more funding to keep running it up. Is it too late to become an OG member and get exclusive calls and discounts? That starts tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow at 5 p.m. PST, 8 p.m. Eastern is when the pre-sale will go live. You guys will be able to go purchase your guys' accounts. And going off of that, a lot of you guys want to get those OG member perks. How you guys are going to get that in the Discord is, if you guys don't know, I'm going to share my screen one more time real quick. Share screen, make selection. Over here, guys, on the left side of the Discord, if you guys scroll down, you guys are going to see a ticket where it says support, help desk and FAQ. When you guys come into here, you guys can open a ticket. What it's going to do is you're going to open a ticket, simple as this, open ticket. A ticket is going to be opened. You guys are going to type what you guys need help with, which, for you guys who want to get the OG member discount, all you guys are going to do is say, hey, I just purchased, the OG member pre-sale. Here's the, here is the evidence of me doing it. And then guess what? We're going to go right there. Our moderators and our support agents are going to be able to then change your role into OG member. And then from there, you guys will get access to the exclusive chats, which will be super cool. So, that's right there. You guys can see our mods, and support people will be there for you guys to answer your questions. And that's one of the things that I do take pride in Legacy, is that I hope you guys know that at all times you guys should have access to people who are there to answer your questions. There's educators, there's moderators, there's our actual support. We have an email that you guys can obviously get at. At all times, if you guys have a question, we're here to answer. Don't skip the AMA. We are live for Asia. Exactly, guys. Stay around for that. My audio is going out. I apologize. Can you guys hear me good now?
You weren't cutting out for me.
Okay, cool. Awesome. Well, I kind of want to ask some questions, guys. So I think that, one of the things that is a benefit of these AMAs is getting real access to educators who have history of prior experience, profitability, and we're here to relay that information to you guys. So that's why we obviously have people like Nick, Chris, Mark going all the time, helping you guys nonstop. So what I want to start this doing before we have Mark share his screen going to Asia trading and stuff is I kind of want to ask and give guys some words of advice. I'm not sure if I understand the reset thing. So you can't fail? No, you could fail, but like if you fail, you can just reset your account back to break even for funded instead of having to go and take a new challenge. So let's say you pass your challenge, you get funded, and then you do your funded or whatever, but some reason you fail it or whatever, you'll be able to reinstate back to funded, which I think is obviously amazing. I'm cutting out again.
You're not cutting out. It's definitely this dude's internet.
Or like a Discord thing, okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, I'll try and talk a little slower or whatever. But like I said, guys, having people like this here with us is a plus. So what I want to go around and kind of ask is some questions to the people we have with us here. Obviously, we have Mark, Chris, and Nick here for the AMA. If you guys don't know what AMA stands for, it stands for Ask Me Anything. So we're here to answer you guys' trading questions, go crazy, ask in the chat. But the first thing I want to start off with is I don't know if Nick wants to go first, but I'm going to go around and ask all you guys here is if you guys could go back to when you guys were first trying to become profitable, when you guys were first starting prop firms, what is some words of advice do you have people out there who are just getting in to trading, they're just now getting profitable and they want to take it to that next level to start passing accounts? Because everyone here has obviously passed multiple accounts. I think Chris has over $2 million worth of funding right now and stuff. So, I just want to ask that first. If you want, Nick, you go first.
What's up, guys? You guys know me as Nix, or at least most of you know me, but advice, honestly, the position that you guys are in right now, especially for the people that I'm talking to, you're in here, you're already taking advantage of all the stuff we're giving you. Keep doing that. Truly keep doing that. I wish I had this at the beginning, but when it comes to funded accounts, truly, again, have a plan, have a system, come in it ready, confident, and you should have no problem. Again, I had a couple of people ask me about the rules the other day and how I felt about it, and generally speaking, a lot of the rules should have no issue to you. If you're a good trader, you have a plan, you have good risk management, you should be passing these with ease. Truly. I know I'll be passing these with ease, Mark, Chris, all of us. But generally speaking, my only advice is to keep taking advantage of this community and the stuff that we're giving to you guys, because I'm going live, Chris, Mark, I'm on a win streak right now. I think Mark is too. Pretty sure Chris is. Again, we've just been killing it. And even if you're not coming in here to trade with us, learn from us. I have a bunch of people that have been texting me saying, I've actually learned something from you. Liquidity concepts, price action, whatever it is. So again, take advantage of everything that we give to you, because again, we're only doing it for you. We don't need this. We don't have to do this, but granted, we want to. So again, just take advantage of it. Seriously. So I would want this. You guys should too.
Awesome. Hell yeah. Mark, go.
Alrighty. Honestly, when I started off, the biggest mistake that I was making is that I had a IRL friend that was teaching me a specific set of concepts, and it just made no sense to me. He was teaching me this indicator strategy, and one of the things that I was experiencing was that I was inside of a bubble. And if you'll notice, me, Chris, and Nick, we all traded different strategy. And the thing is, I was focusing so much on the strategy that this friend of mine was teaching me, because he's my real life friend. I see him trading with this. But I kind of missed the whole point that it's not about the strategy. It's more about your psychology. It's more about what goes into what makes you a profitable trader. And that's not your strategy. It's about your mastery of the strategy. And I totally overlooked all that because he kept telling me learn this. It's going to make you profitable. Look at these indicators. And it made no sense to me. And so that's something that I went through and I would definitely change, is just being a little more open-minded.
Yeah. Open-minded. There's so many ways, guys. At the end of the day, you guys, trying to, especially when you're a beginner, saying that you're right without having to go and be open-minded to, listen to different things, whatever. Steer in the wrong direction. Chris, how about you?
What's going on, guys? Awesome stream so far. So I just want to tell you guys, when I first started, I was not funded like I was. And it's definitely small stepping stones, and it turns into much larger. So whether you're funded or not, Once you get that one account can completely change your life. And honestly, like I'm just here to have you guys take those small steps and turn them into bigger ones. Because you know, whether you're trading with one account or 20 accounts, it's the same exact thing. It's the same system. It's the same psychology. It's just a matter of can you handle that on your mind when you're
Mhm.
trading that many accounts. And I have a very big emphasis on risk management, and I absolutely love like showing you guys this is how you're supposed to be trading. I don't give you guys unrealistic results. Everything that I do, I'm very transparent about, whether that be going break even, any losses that I take, and how I overall manage risk. So I'm not just blowing these accounts. Okay, so it's really not too complicated passing these accounts. It's a matter of just having your system down, not over trading and not over leveraging. And within a week or two, we're going to be passing these. We're going to be absolutely running them up. So I want you guys on there on the stream. And yeah, just some more words of advice. Um, this is not something I had when I first started. When I first started trading, you know, there was not these huge communities, not this community where you could just ask us stuff, anything that you want. Any question you guys have when you come into the live streams, I'm answering them because I didn't have that when I first started. Had I had that, I would have been profitable a lot faster.
100%. I love that, bro. Yeah, that's some great words of advice.
Yeah.
I think I'm going.
It's really hard to figure it out like on your own because like you're just not motivated to do it. Like in reality, how much people do you know like around your like real life circle that do this? Like it's so hard to
Yeah.
find people, and like
Oh yeah.
while a lot of influencers, you know, like they can fake stuff, it's still helpful to have like somebody that's like real and authentic with you. And we're not just like on the social media space. We're right in front of you on live calls, and you can ask us anything in the chat like right away, get the answer to it right away. That's so much different than social media.
100%. I see in the chat.
And
So,
I
yes, sir.
Sorry. And I encourage you guys, if you guys have any friends or people that are trading and they're not in this Discord and they're not learning from us, then have them join, especially if they're struggling, because we're willing to help anyone that needs that help.
Yep. That's why we're here, guys. At the end of the day, like if we didn't want to help you guys, we would not have live streams going every single session, giving you guys free advice, doing these AMAs where you guys see me back test, go through setups, show you guys trades I've actually taken, the confluences that I use to take those trades, that you guys can potentially learn something to go take them on your own, right? The whole goal is you guys to learn something, go take a piece of what I taught you guys, take a piece of, you know, Mark, Chris, Nick, and then you go and make it apply, you know, make it all make sense to you to apply it and go crazy. You know, a lot of you guys here are already trading with us. I mean, it's pretty. It's you know, around the clock, guys. You guys have what's it called? You know, Mamba right at 6:30. 15 minutes later, you have Chris, Mark at Asia, and then you know, or me, I guess, in between a Power Hour, Mark at Asia, and then Nick during London. So you guys, you know, all the way around the clock are all getting access. For any questions you guys need, we're here for you guys. Y'all the goats appreciate that. Does Rhythmic work on back? Yes. So you guys see the platforms that we have on the site right now is Rhythmic. So we're launching with Rhythmic as the platform, but what we have coming, guys, is you guys can see on the website called Black Arrow. We're gonna have someone come on from Black Arrow and showcase the platform to you guys. When it comes to Rhythmic, I'm gonna have videos of me going through it, showing you guys how I use it and stuff. But we should have Black Arrow in the next 2 to 4 weeks, which is gonna be absolutely amazing. To me, it looks just like TradingView. You know, it's pretty amazing. So stay tuned for that. They have I don't know if you guys know about book maps or how to use like order flow and those type of things, but the platform Black Arrow has those directly integrated with it. So if you guys are on your charts trading, you guys will also have book maps and those type of things directly on it. Black Arrow actually bought book maps, so you guys are literally gonna have access to one of the coolest platforms, I think. Look at Chris's face. He's like, "What?" Yeah, I know they bought them.
I had no
Absolutely.
clue. That is insane.
If we get the OG sale tomorrow, we'll be able to switch platforms. Yeah, like once Black Arrow's out and you guys have what's it called? If you guys have an account still going or whatever, if you guys haven't touched the account, we can go back. But if you guys want to reset it with the different platform and stuff, you guys definitely will be able to. Just obviously not in the middle of a challenge. If you guys are up a little bit, you guys are down a little bit, whatever, you can't do it in the middle of a challenge. Are you trying to pass his account already? Hey Luca, what does the OG discounts look like? So like I said, guys, the first one to start is 20%. So we're starting with that for tomorrow. You guys are getting 20% off the whole site, any account size you guys want. You guys will get, obviously. And then, like I said, let's say that discount goes away once we actually launch. We're going to still have discounts for you guys going inside the OG member Discord chat. That you guys will be able to secretly kind of use to still get better discounts than just buying it at full price. That's the whole obviously benefit of doing that. In-person events, I know you guys think that we're capping with that, but there's so many in-person events we want to do. And like I said, is that let's say we do like a big event in person, then that night we go get dinner. OG members will get obviously access to come to those more private events. And not only that, guys, but I don't want to like leak it too early. But we're going to do some pretty cool stuff with OG members when it comes to people who get paid out. That's the OG member and whatnot. And like maybe potentially flying them out and doing in-person stuff with them. I don't want to give away too much until we actually give you guys all the details. But like, think about that, guys. You guys make it to a payout. You guys have been an OG member supporting us from the beginning. Imagine getting flown to Vegas to come hang out with all of us and Mamba and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? So stay tuned for that. Obviously going to give you guys all the details on that when that comes, but we're first off focusing on, launching the pre-sale launch, giving you guys educating you guys how to use the platform, how to become successful, obviously trading with Legacy, and giving you guys all the tools and resources needed. That means one of y'all could tap me up. Hell yeah. Wrestling match versus educators, exactly. We're flying out 4 of you guys, and you guys got all 4 take on Nick.
You guys would lose.
I'm gonna dap you, Chris. Where you at? Guys, they're all out here. That's one of the cool things I like about these guys is that we're all here in Southern California. We've all hung out in person. I've gotten to meet these guys. I already told you guys I vouch for them. That's the reason I have them live trading for you, is because they all actually make money. Like you guys can follow all them on Instagram and on YouTube and whatnot, and you guys see they're actually doing it. So, hey yo. Amazing, guys. Well, like I said, ask me anything, guys. Any questions for the AMA before we get into live trade in Asia with Mark? Guys, who's excited for the pre-launch tomorrow? So if everyone didn't know, tomorrow, less than 24 hours, we have the pre-launch going live. I'm going to send the link one more time. I think I still have it right here. Yep. Here's the link for the coming soon, guys, for all of you guys. What time? 5 p.m. Pacific. 8 p.m. Eastern. How many spots for OG member? We're deciding it right now. We want to see what it's going to look like in real time of who's interested. And you guys it might just cut in the middle of you guys. We might just be like, you know what? Boom, let's focus on these guys. Just wait on it. You guys will see. We're going to form a cool group. OG members can be straight OGs. OG20 at checkout for 20% off? Yes. You guys will see at the top of the website when you guys go to checkout, OG20 at checkout for 20% off all the account sizes you guys already see. 20% off. So you guys are getting access to a 50K account for $79. $79, guys. Come on now. All right, join the waitlist. Amazing. How do you buy an OG member? We just buy a 150K account? Yeah, that's what I'm saying, guys. You guys go. If you guys use code OG20, you guys participate in the pre-sale. What you guys are going to do is you guys are going to take a screenshot, go, like I showed you guys, into the FAQ section. Go to not the FAQ, the help desk. Go to the help desk, submit a ticket showing that you bought an account with the evidence, and you guys will then get moved to the OG member. Yeah. Where do I buy an account at? We're going to release it tomorrow, but that's why I told you guys to sign up for this email, because if you guys are on the wait list, you guys are going to get we're going to send it out. Kind of whoever's on the email list is going to get the email first. If you guys react fast enough, you guys will get it first. And then from there, we're going to announce it in the Discord and on Instagram and stuff. Create a ticket with screenshot, bought an account. Got it. Exactly. Isn't August one of the hardest months to trade? That just depends who you are, right? It depends per trader. I know plenty of these guys probably are going to eat all of August. Like, look at their faces. They're like, I dare you. Like, I dare you to say I'm going to lose in August. You know what I'm saying? Oh my God. It's an activation fee, yes, but it's already at discount. You guys will see, but that's once you pass send it to live, but that's already discounted. You guys, if you guys look on the website, you guys will see those are also discounted. And obviously, guys, we're gonna have accounts coming out, discounts coming where you pay no activation fee. This is just the OG member presale to start, guys. You guys are literally here from the beginning. Don't think that down the line we're not gonna be doing more stuff, releasing stuff, giving you guys bigger discounts, all that type of stuff. Can someone send me 200 cash up just to make sure it works? That's hilarious. So great. Are the accounts monthly or one-time purchase? Well, I mean, the whole goal is that you pass the account before the end of the month, right? Is 150K the highest you'll go? What you got to think is that, you actually get access to 3 different accounts. That's 450K of funding. But that is something that like I said, with time, we're going to adjust and, maybe we'll have 250K accounts for you guys. Go crazy. No, it's just a one-time fee to like the activation fee to send it live. What's going to be the qualifications to get a payout once you pass the challenge? All that's going to be inside of our FAQ, guys, that you guys will see tomorrow once you buy an account. You can see the difference between the Rise and the Elite. Some of the differences is the payout cap is larger on Elite at the beginning. So Elite is a little bit more expensive, but you have higher payout caps and higher percentages. So you get 90% profit splits. The cap is higher, but it's a little bit more expensive, like I said. And then the Rise is a little bit cheaper, but lower profit split. And the profit targets are different on the evaluation and stuff. The poker tournaments are going to happen around the same time every Friday. Yeah, and we might even implement it on Thursdays because I know a lot of people are out on Fridays. It's up to you guys. If you guys can pull more than I think 25 is like the least that we do or whatever. If you guys can pull 25 to 30 people on Thursdays and Fridays, we will continually do them as much as you guys want. What time does live trading start tonight? So we're going to start live trading Asia right now, and then tonight at 11:45 p.m. For London. More trading.
So let's run it or what?
Yeah, I'm saying last minute questions, or anyone have anything left for the AMA before we get on to Eastern time? For London, that's 2:45 a.m. It's a daily profit 200. Quick question: is Mark trading today? Yes, that's what we're here for. Come on now. What's the discount code again? It's OG20, but at the top of the page, you guys will see it. It listed there. It's you won't miss it. It says at the top of the page. What's your cash? That's there. We can buy these accounts tomorrow. Yes, guys. So once again, starting, I'm going to share my screen one more time. You guys can see right here. Oh my God, what did I do? Right here, 23 hours, 24 minutes, 35 seconds. Come on now.
That looks clean. That's a clean dashboard. You showed people the dashboard in the last stream, right?
Yeah. The dashboard looks sick and stuff too.
That's dope. That's one of the best things. Yeah. Like if you got a clean dashboard, you get to see your trades, document them a little cleaner.
The type of stuff you get access to on your dashboard is pretty crazy. It tracks a lot of stuff for you.
That's sick.
So amazing. Okay, and I buy an account, make a ticket, I get OG rule and how it works? Yes. How long does the pre-sale go for? We like I said is that we might only take a limited amount of people and close it by Friday, right? It's gonna see by your guys's interest. When is the course coming? We're working on it right now. Free course for futures for you guys. Amazing.
All right, enough questions.
Yeah. All right, guys, let's go real quick though. One more thing. Put W's in the chat if you guys are ready. One more video.
Let's go.
Come on, spam them. Spam them. Put some W's in the chat if you guys are ready for the pre-sale tomorrow. Come on. We appreciate y'all. Less than 24 hours. Go. Get ready. Hell yeah. All right, guys. Well, I appreciate you all for coming to the AMA. Don't go anywhere. We're gonna be trading Asia right here. But you guys no more further questions. Just get ready. We do have, like I said, FAQ, the website coming out, where we're going to go answer a lot of your questions, as well as 24-hour support for you guys in the Discord. And then once you guys buy an account, go submit a support ticket. We'll change your role, all that type of stuff. But I appreciate y'all. Mark, let's freaking kill it. Let's go.
Yeah, let's run it. Let me break down what I'm looking for in Asia session. So I was already live like 30 minutes before. I'm just live on YouTube, and I was talking about my target. So we started off the daily range. Let me go into replay mode. We closed perfectly inside of like what these gaps are. These gray boxes are daily gaps, and these gaps have been respected like countless times. So there's a smaller gap right here that got respected here, and then a third time we closed. So as soon as we opened, I started seeing it expand, and I was already hoping that maybe it'd give me a setup to get in, and then we got the huge gap, of course. So when I scaled down, one of the things that I aim for, because I obviously trade gaps, is I aim for the market to rebalance the gaps, basically preventing a new gap from forming. And on the 4-hour, that's exactly what happened here. So you can see once we opened, we literally just started expanding right away. Boom, close, new daily candle opened. We closed above this gap and then just started expanding. This is where we're at right now, and this is the little rebalance we're aiming for. In the move that ran up, we got two new gaps, one of them on the 1-hour and one of them on the 30-minute. So now I'm just waiting for it to tap into one of these so that we can finish off the move. I'm hoping that it doesn't like actually fill this little gap that it has left before we get an entry. Make sense to you guys? Pretty simple, pretty simple. We full porting for Asia. Yes, sir. Clean, makes sense. That's it. It's super clean and simple. If you're trading with gaps, super simple. Like you literally just wait for like the right time, which is Asia session. You try to find a daily target. What are my targets, by the way? So this is a 4-hour target, obviously. On the daily time frame, we have the same exact thing, right? I might be looking for this wick to get filled if it comes up all the way here, potentially. And the reason why I'm looking for buy side is something that I wanted to show you guys a little earlier. I think I have it somewhere. Actually, I don't think I have it on my chart, actually. Let's go here. And let me show you guys the seasonal tendency for gold. Pretty sure this is like the last 20-year seasonal tendency. I literally found this this image somewhere in like one of my Telegram groups, and I've been using it for the last like literal 5 years. And it's kind of crazy because it low-key is like valid. When you're coming into like the month looking for a new narrative, like look at July. Like July is the biggest bullish month. So starting off in the beginning of this month, I was looking for some buy side. And let's think about what happened when, let's see where July opened. June and July opened right here. As soon as July opened, we just started expanding on buy side, and we nearly ran to all-time highs. So the fact that it's still July and we're coming to a close, but right now July has like it's closing bearish. You guys see this? The monthly candle on July is bearish, and we want this thing to be bullish. So that's why it's probably expanding so rapidly, because this is the last day. I think tomorrow is the last day. The 31st is the last day of the month. So we're obviously trying to get up to at least above the open. So seasonal tendency, super OP if you know how to use it. August isn't as bullish as July. So what I'm expecting, especially because September is bearish, I'm expecting that this month, during August, we run up into these targets that we created. So here we have a gap right here on the daily time frame. This is the next gap. Here we have another gap up here. I'm expecting that we come and tap into these and then continue lower for September. Quite simple. That's all I'm looking for. Keeping it simple, using the monthly seasonal tendency, thinking about the fact that the month's coming to a close soon. Now we just scale down and look for that confirmation to get us to the target. So again, our first target for the stream is going to be this rebalance. And it does suck a little bit that it's already almost there. Didn't give us an entry opportunity. Because literally as soon as it opened, it just started expanding. Nick, Chris, you guys have anything to say? Never traded Asia before or gold. Well, there's always a first for everything.
Higher time frame rules the markets.
That's true. Daily bias.
That's
If
all I
there's a
gotta
clean
say.
daily bias, easy to hop in. Nick, what you think?
I'm ready. Mark's been feeding me this last week on gold. You guys know I hate gold. Like, I have a genuine passionate hate for gold for some reason, but I can't be mad when Mark has made me good amount of money this week from it. So it's honestly listen to what he says, honestly.
Yes, sir. We
So-
eating every day. Paying for this guy's sandwiches. Gold is the way. There you go. Paying for his kava. Nick has an addiction to kava, by the way. You guys don't know about this. Every time I've ever been in a social environment with Nick, guys, let's go kava. I'm really craving some kava right now.
You guys need to tell me what's better, Chipotle or Kava.
Oh,
Don't make me start a poll. I get serious on this shit. I get
start a
really
poll.
serious.
Start a poll.
I'll really start an argument right now.
How many of you guys
Kava's
have
fire.
never had either of those? Chipotle or
Ninja, you're
kava?
not my favorite. Kava clips are my favorite too. Bro, I'm really gonna start picking favorites. Whoever says Kava.
Yeah, you guys
Ninja.
gotta watch yourself. Chipotle is my
Rest
life.
Ninja.
Hey, this guy got rice in his name though.
Chipotle, never tried Kava. You gotta try it, Andy. You got a week to try it. You're out. You're dropping on rankings as far as my favorite.
While we
Don't think
wait,
have Kava.
for those of you guys that don't know, me and Chris run an Instagram page together. So if you guys want to see more content from us, we post a lot of stories as well. It's full send
Sure,
traders.
We full send trades.
Full send, exactly. You'll see me full porting every trade. I'm encouraging the boys to do so as well. Why not?
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Hey,
let me just
Charlie,
share.
I've had winning trades all week. I think Mark has had two. I'm not too sure.
Yeah, we cooked
But-
every stream, not gonna lie. Yesterday's stream took too long. I was straight up sitting there for like 2 hours. As soon as the stream ends, it finally starts moving. And it was like the 4-hour move. And that's when I finally caught like the move. Right here. So you see this? There's a huge gap right there, and all these candles respected it. And up until news this morning, that's when it actually like ran down.
I think yesterday I caught buys up into there and then just exited really early,
Oh really?
and then it just melted.
Yeah. Cause look at this, dude. That's like this is why people hate gold right here. Whenever this happens, like oh hell no. That right here
Just
is
give
like
me PTSD. Don't show me that shit.
literally. This is like you take a screenshot and you make an Instagram post about this saying people really see this and try to take a trade.
Nah,
But,
but
yeah.
we've been killing it, guys. London's been good, except for the last 2 days. I mean, I haven't taken a trade, but prices either taking too long and still played out their bias, or it takes off too early, and we're just not allowed to enter at that point. But we're on a win streak.
You know what? The rest of the week though, we're gonna kill it. We finally have FOMC done over with, so we're gonna start moving.
We got NFP coming up though.
Oh,
NFP's like moves on gold are so fat. Like I genuinely think the weekly range is gonna run down so far on NFP. Cause we got those 2 equal lows. I don't know if you guys have been watching it. Higher time
I'm saying
frame.
we're full porting.
Definitely full porting. If we get up there like today, somewhere like maybe hitting that daily target that I was showing you guys today, and then NFP drops, I'm definitely aiming for that. Like look at these lows, and then it's obviously gonna make people think, okay, like Wednesday's range was super bullish, we closed bullish, we might keep running up, and then bang, we drop it. Because I definitely think that August is gonna be the one that actually runs into these targets. So today we're just looking for a little scalp on buys, and then we're gonna look for sells. little something.
So why don't you guys tell us how your week of trading has been?
Facts.
Good, break even, bad. I mean, even if you're down this week doesn't mean it's a bad week necessarily, right? I have the same bias in mind for gold, fire.
The insta with the white ninja. I'm a ninja too.
Dude, I
That's
saw that.
hard.
Maybe we could get better after I take Nick's lunch money. I was gonna take my lunch money.
You want to take his lunch money? You just gotta go against whatever we're gonna do. And then if you win the trade and we lose, you're taking our lunch money.
But if I win and I take your lunch money, I'm gonna talk
Yes,
an
sir.
insane amount of crap to you.
Vishak always trying to speak. Vishak, you can't be taking our spotlight here. Come on. We know that you're going to come out here, break it down.
You might know something.
He knows something we don't. Yeah.
Gonna be back London session tonight. Fire Rest Ninja. Missed you on there. You gotta join up. I've been killing it, so
The thing with
I plan on
trading,
winning tonight.
it's like it's all about your personality. So like, you know, we all trade differently. Like Chris trades in the morning, Nick trades in London. Like we didn't choose to do that because of each other. We were already doing that. Like Nick's been trading London for the longest time. Chris has been trading New York for the longest time. I've been trading Asia session.
Yep.
It just happened to work
The
out
only
perfectly.
reason-
Yeah.
Sorry, I was gonna cut you. My bad. The only reason Mark can trade Asia session is because he has the most discipline and the most patience in the game.
Cap, bro. I just be full porting.
I just
everything.
like to be in trades for like 5-10 minutes.
Oh yeah, that's true. That's true. He's talking about swing trading because usually like gold's moves are massive. Like take a look at these. If you can swing trade gold and catch the right direction, like look, you're catching from 3-3-3-2 to 3-2-7-5. Like you're catching 600 pip moves. Like that's gigantic. You got to be patient for those. But at the same time, if you got like stacked accounts like Chris, he'll be making the same amount of money as me, and he gets out like this, you know. So it's a matter of your personality. And Mark
It's
has the
like
coolest looking
eating
shirt.
candy from babies.
Yeah, I agree, Rice Ninja. It's low-key sick. Like, that's a fact. That's the thing. Like, if we're all performing good, like, in a certain week, then you hop into Chris's stream, catch a banger. Hop into my stream during Asia, catch a banger. Hop into Nick's stream, you're funded. Boom. Start again. Then you get your payout. By the way, guys, you have a very difficult decision to make. So let me break it down to you guys like right now so that you guys can mentally prepare yourself. There's a very difficult decision. So there's 3 of us here, right? But when you guys are purchasing your accounts, you can only use one code. You can and you guys know. Nick isn't even defending himself here.
Wait, what?
I was telling them about the very difficult decision that they're going to have to make when they're buying accounts.
And what is that?
There's 3 of us, but there's only one code that they can use.
Oh yeah.
Damn.
Well,
Our promo codes, that's what I'm talking about.
being that I'm a very petty person, I'd assume that you guys would use code Nix. I'm kidding.
Nah, just
honestly,
base it on...
I don't care, guys. At the end of the day, like, the codes are to give you guys discounts, and especially for the OG members, there's going to be even bigger discounts and more discounts. So it doesn't matter, guys. At the end of the day, like, the biggest thing is we're here. We're going to teach you guys. If you guys want to go over, get a discount, use our code, by all means, go for it. That's why we're streaming all day, every day. And again, the fact that you have access to that, like, what? And Tim, to answer your question, we should have UK100 and DAX. But again, you'll see everything once it's fully launched and you're able to get your account. Don't
Yes,
worry.
sir. The
Which
only
one you
reason
guys
you're
think
going to be able to buy accounts in the first place is because we're going to give you guys some beautiful trades during our sessions.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Drink your water, guys. I've been staying hydrated today. Mark trying to start a riot in here. For real, I could have just gone in like my own personal session when nobody was in there. Said what happens in Asia session stays in Asia session, but you know, we gotta start riots. We gotta start fights in here.
Now what happened? Asia stays in Asia is crazy. I'm gonna start saying that for London.
We've been running it. We've been running it already. That's my slogan. That's why you guys never hear about what happens during Asia session.
It has been a little quiet, not gonna lie, and I know you're winning too.
Hey.
I'm gonna start popping in on an alt account.
Literally, bro.
Oh, it kinda
What's the signal for today? It's just Nick on his other Discord account. That's funny.
You guys will see. I'm gonna pop in here.
I'm trying to. Why is gold not moving? Come on. We just gotta get a little pullback into one of these gaps, and we're chilling. I don't want to like sell or buy right now, even though I think it's either gonna hit this rebalance or this gap. Like I don't know which one is gonna hit first. It's in between those, so we gotta be a little patient here. Bear with me.
Session Wars is crazy. Nah, because London session squad would win. I'm just saying. Like we got
Low-key, guys,
Dude.
let's build a team. Let's build a team. And then next to your guys' Discord names, you have to write the session. Asia.
Dexter.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not ready for the London sessions, dude. I'm telling you, it's like y'all join in there and you're leaving like breaded and just like in the best mood ever. I'm telling you.
Yeah, for real.
I'll get one to trade with you guys. Who is more profitable?
Where are you guys from, by the way?
That's crazy.
VA, is that Virginia?
I say Mark
New
has been
Zealand.
killing it for a while with Asia. Can't lie.
Yeah, I mean, I've been trading it for so long. Like, it's a matter of the work that I've put in. Now I'm, like, mastering it. I understand the characteristics. I know when to wait, when to not trade. As long as I'm not pressured
Right.
by the chat. Sometimes they're like, full port, we going in. I can't wait no more. And I'm like, fine, we got to.
Rice Ninja, that's crazy. But like you're honestly not wrong. That's wild.
What the hell? What does he mean by that? What does he mean by that? Crash out or cash out? Literally, bruh. Nick starts smashing his monitor.
25
Spartan.
monitor. Okay.
Bro said no one in his state knows about Forex futures. I live in a caveman state. What do they do there, bruh? What do people do?
When it comes to full port, you listen to this song. Oh no. I'm not gonna click it.
Yeah,
right
I'm
now.
not
sure
clicking
it's
that
down
either.
for
Not
music?
gonna lie. I don't need any more motivation, bruh. I'm already full porting more than I need to.
I got a clip from chat, funniest shit ever. Oh no, Dexter. I know you're talking about me. Well, you don't want to see it. I want to see it. DM it to me, but I don't think anyone wants to see it.
You gotta tag our Instagram page so we can repost it. Embarrass Nick.
Yeah, look, you gotta see this.
Now, I gotta figure out
Tag
how to,
out
like,
Full Send
stop
Traders.
from flipping.
By the way, shoot us a DM if you tuned in for the stream. Let us know. Let's stay in touch.
Sir, you guys gotta DM us. Like we're all open. Especially on Instagram, Full Send Traders, bro. Just DM us if you guys have any questions there.
Yeah, who knows? Maybe one of these days we'll just crash out, go off the grid, and you guys are gonna have to DM us and be like, "Where you guys at? What happened? Everything's good. We're here for you." You know, we need that kind of support. Sometimes it gets tough.
I'm just trying to blow up and act like I know, but no nobody.
Yeah, whatever he just
Yeah,
said,
no,
bro. And I ain't not know nobody.
Ain't no nobody.
I know that though. That's so funny. Oh, I hit our TP. Or a few pips away, but that's so unfortunate. Look, it didn't tap into any of these gaps. Even this first one, like, it was so close. Bro, I would have gotten in, though. Like, as soon as I saw this, even if it was, like, already up here, I would have gotten in if I saw that it tapped it. But that's just not against my... That's against my policy, my terms and conditions.
Mark, whatever he sent you, send it to me. Oh no. I know who this is. He's under a different name. No, it's the Edgar guy.
Let's see. Oh my goodness.
I think I know what it is. It's not that bad. Love you, Nix. It's crazy.
Oh my god.
Is it cartoony? Nah.
I-
You know, I don't think cartoony's in this Discord, and I think it's for the best for everyone that he's not in here. Truly.
What was your bias behind it, Daddy? Or oh my god.
What a Nick, bro, you can't be caught slacking like that. You guys heard that? Who you calling daddy in the chat, bro?
Okay, I have an explanation. Let's go through
There's
this.
no explanation for that, bro.
Let's explain this.
There's no
Let's explain this,
explanation.
right? Context.
It was someone in my chat. His name started with Daddy, right? And I was gonna repeat his name, didn't think about it, and I said Daddy. And then, of course, I had a bunch of clippers taken out of context, and then yeah.
Keep up the good work,
Honestly,
Edgar, bro.
that might have been AI, to be honest. Now that I think about it, AI is a little scary now, guys. AI is getting scary. AI is getting scary. Careful.
that wasn't it. You see, you could have defended yourself, but you admitted to it first. You could have said it was AI, but bro said he has an explanation for that.
I had to play defense. I had to play old defense right now.
Oh, hell
Career could have
no.
ended saying that.
Rudy
No, I'm just
allegations.
Guys, you didn't hear that, all right? You didn't hear that. That's what they all say.
This would be legendary if we pulled back right now without tapping it and giving us an opportunity to ride it, like even from this gap up here. That would be dope.
Rice Ninja. The thing is, Luca heard it and was just like in disbelief right now. Oh, gosh. Well, that's how London live streams go. So if you guys want to join, it's not like that.
There you go.
It's not.
I know there's a lot of US traders in here, but staying up for London is worth it. What else are you guys gonna do, bro? Work tomorrow morning? Come on, that's not important. You guys gotta get profitable. Take some signals from Nick. Quit your jobs. Yeah, but it's Forex and not gold. True.
Dang.
True.
Facts.
I work the night shift, will jump on all sessions. Dang, Andy. That's dedication, though.
I see you. I always see you, Andy.
Yo, if Andy can do it, you guys can do it. Honestly.
That's true.
Like, you have no excuse. If you guys are on TikTok, if you even have TikTok downloaded and you wonder why you're not seeing profitability, I mean, honestly, that just fucking delete TikTok, delete Instagram. I mean, that's like the biggest thing that holds people back is just like doom scrolling. Seriously.
Honestly, if you like doom scroll before you trade, you like got so much dopamine in before that you're just so much more emotional than you should be. That's when you tend to like revenge trade, over trade. Like I've been thinking about it recently. Like I was emotional some of those days, and it was always because I did some like high dopamine activity beforehand. So you gotta watch yourselves on that.
Andy, no way you're competing.
Oh yeah, I saw his page because he hit us up on Instagram. Bro's a bodybuilder.
What?
I was looking shredded. W's in the chat for Andy. W's in the chat for Andy.
Bro, you could see that
Come
guy.
on, he's winning this. He's winning this.
His little icon, bro. You can tell
Hey.
he's like absolutely gagged.
I want to do the same, but I
Hey,
feel like it
guys,
would work better with different accounts.
OG announcement is out. See you guys tomorrow for the pre-sale. Run it up. Let's go. W's in the chat.
Hey guys, look at gold. Look at gold right now. We barely missed it. You guys see this? There's a little gap that's still left to fill. If we run down right now, this is our first entry of the stream. Let's go. Please, please, please. Come on. Come on, please. Yo, Henry in the chat. Chris, bro. Henry tuned into one of my streams, made 5 bands. I made like 1,200 that day.
Cool.
Bro tuned in. He was like, "Oh, something light, 5 bands. Don't put your screen on stop loss from the trend." JK, bro.
And if you guys
Literally.
make anything more than 1K, you guys gotta send us like a little profit.
It's
split.
tax, guys. It's tax. Phantom tax. You gotta pay for it. Dang it. I got so excited. We were about to get it. Because it's a little risky to sell. Like, it doesn't have to come down into this. Chris, what do you think? Should I sell from the rebounds? Into one of these gaps?
Nah. I still like longs here.
I like longs too, but we got an hour until the rebounds. So, like, if it does pull down right now, we can still make it back up in an hour, you know?
Yeah, no, that's true, actually. We might take sell side and go back up.
Mm-hmm. That's what I love, like, thinking about is, like, if there's, like, an hour and there's a 4-hour target left and there's an hour left and then it's out of place and it wants to, like, finish the gap that it left, that's when, like, you know it's going to start moving in the last, like, 30 minutes or something. And that's when you know it's, like, going to be a high probability trade. Like, as soon as you get in, it's going to start running. That's one of my favorite ways of trading, out of place.
What's the big old candle on your chart for, Mark? Is that the secret sauce?
That's a torta, bro. The torta candle. Yeah, it is the secret sauce though. You guys don't even know. Like, I'm on the 4-hour right now and I'm seeing what the daily is doing. You know what I mean? 30-minute time frame, and I'm seeing what the daily candle's looking like. That's the sauce. Look, some people are trying to find this indicator, but they just keep telling me they can't find it. HTF power of 3. Simple, easy. Alright, search up HTF power of 3, or search up this guy, 2 degrees. Let's go, finally. Please, please, please. Low-key, guys, this is going to be a bad RR trade just because I'm a little impatient. Because I think it can run into the 1 hour, but I'm going to get in off the 30-minute. So this is how my trade is going to look like. Alright? So you can roast me for it some other time, but this condition calls for a bad RR trade. This isn't really the main setup of the day either, but it's something nice. It's going to be something nice if it gives us the entry. What would y'all call your style of trading, Mark? Gap trading? Yeah, I'm a gap trader. Just be gapping around out here in the slums, trying to make it out. Gaps paying my bills.
Gotta fill those gaps.
Hey.
Marky just filling them.
I like that. The daily shows you candle flips clean. Exactly. Longs after it drops. Yes, longs after it drops. Shorts after it runs up and, like, does something good. Something sauce. Why is it always so difficult, though? Why couldn't it just, like, tap in right here and just give me an entry? Chris, why did it do that, bro?
My bad, bro. I've been just, like, accumulating, like, a huge position. It's just trading higher. My bad.
Oh, that's right, because you're trading with freaking $5 billion. Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh. My bad, Chris. My bad. Chris be moving the market, bro. Alright, Chris, sell your orders right now.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to call my boy, JP. My boy JP, I'm going to call him real quick. Hold on, I got to mute up because I'm calling my boy JP.
Okay.
So what I just said to JP, I said, drop your sell orders right now. I said it's already at a premium. JP, Jerome Powell, he's gonna dump right now. I said chat's waiting, so he's gonna do it for us today. Chris, make that phone call. Hey. Gapping it like Arnold Schwarzenegger. What the hell? What does he mean by that? What does his future guy mean by that? He's sneaking in.
Gap.
He's sneaking in some weird comments, and we ain't even noticing.
What gap are we talking about?
Holy gap. The gap between his biceps.
Yo, that's huge.
Alright, JP said he's dropping his orders in 5 seconds, so let's see the sell side in 5, 4. Let's do a little countdown. 3, 2, 1. Alright, JP, come on. Show us what you got. There you go. JP acting up.
JP.
It's just because we're not only on a first name basis. Like I call bro Jerome, but like I call him JP. You know. So he dumps a market whenever I ask him to. It's just a little song.
Jerome is crazy.
Cause I give him signals. Like he wouldn't be JP without me. You know what I mean? There ain't no JP without me. That's my new slogan. There ain't no JP without me. Is he faking us out? Is he using us as liquidity right now? Bro,
Most definitely.
I'm gonna have to cut ties with him and stop sending him signals. Come on, JP, don't let me down. Chris, you see that? That's an IFEG right there.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
He's
He's
edging
just
me
moving
right now.
sideways.
Dexter.
Wait, how much L's does Jerome Powell have in his name? He has 2 L's, bruh. He's about to take a 3rd L on this setup.
Like 2 L.
Bro, keep
Add an extra L
losing.
to his name.
Bro, keep losing. See, because the JP that I just called up, he got a... This is how you spell his name, the JP.
Howie.
This guy takes W's only. So we're in good hands right now.
So did JP answer your text?
Yeah, he said he's dumping it right now, giving us a little low buy setup before the 4-hour rebalances.
Yeah, I texted him too. I said, stop being a bitch, dump the market.
Literally, bro. And this
Sometimes
guy.
you gotta speak with him to him like that. He likes it, honestly. He likes it. Mr. Powell himself.
You gotta show some dominance.
You do.
JP about to get fired? Yeah, it's just taking a while because he's old now. Like, he got to walk up to his office and, like, click some buttons. So it's just taking him a little while. I don't know what you got. It's water, bro.
That's cat, bro.
Water
You know
and
what,
some
Mark?
ice.
Mark likes to pour straight vodka in his water bottles and just, like,
Nope.
take it down.
That's
Nah,
good
I'm
stuff.
kidding.
In shorts?
Well,
Oh, man. Hey, we
He
can...
must-
Low-key, guys, I feel like the fact that we got this rebalance without tapping into the 30-minute and the 1 hour kind of gives me like a little bit of like a I want to go short, you know what I mean?
That was pretty quick. Might turn around.
Just because of the rebalance and it didn't tap into any of these. We got a new 1 hour gap forming too. This is a new 1 hour candle. We got to be careful and like obviously look for confirmation, but I think I'm going to target one of these gaps. This is going to be my TP. I'm going to just look for a quick little scalp off of this like shorts. Think about it. We've been running down anyways. This is a bearish confluence right here. If the market wants to run down, then rebalancing this is a pretty dope confluence. Now we just like look for some lower time frame confirmation on the right. Let's see if we get any IFEGs. It'd be dope if right now it created a gap right here. 30 seconds until closes. If it creates a gap right here and then closes below it on the 1 minute, I'm going in some shorts and I'm just aiming for the first gap on the 30-minute, which would be like this one right here. Six, 5, 4, 3. All right, you guys ready? We getting in as soon as it closes below, targeting that first 30-minute gap at 3283. That's the high of it. 3283. That's a pretty good trade, not gonna lie. Pretty high. We got 88 to 83, 50 pips. Pretty solid. Pretty solid.
Is this gonna be one of those ones where we full port, Mark?
Nah, it's not a full port trade, unfortunately. Full port trade would happen if the daily rebalanced, though. Like the daily up here. That would be a full port trade because I know for a fact the target wants to get hit during August, you know? So I feel like this month is still going to be a little bearish. We still got some more sell side in this tank. All right, you guys ready? Because I'm ready. I'm ready for this. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. I'm going to get in as soon as it closes below. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's okay. It just rebalanced this 1 minute right here. A little rebalance. It's going to close below now. Come on. I know you want to go down. See, this is why we wait for confirmation. We don't want to take a short position until it actually closes below the gap. People who are in me are in... What the... I gotta end the stream.
What?
I gotta end the stream. Alright, we're ending stream.
Bro, somebody clip that.
People who were in the last stream where I didn't wait for confirmation know exactly why we wait for confirmation. Look at that. We would have got an instant SL right there. Okay, maybe we wait for like the 15-minute candle to close or something. Yo, what's up, Trey? Welcome to the stream.
Damn price run.
Nasty fake. Literally. But now we got an order block though. I love when we get an IFEG with an order block. Chris, you ever trade those?
Yeah, they're
IFEG
nasty,
with an order block inside of it. That's fire. Come on, come on. Who's ready to make some money? Who is ready to make some money? 13, 12. We got the order block. Order block just got formed by coming down below the low. That's all it takes for an order block to form. But we want to see it actually close below this gap first, which it doesn't look like it wants to do yet. Come on. You know, sometimes it's scary not taking the trade when you know it's going to go down because, like, look, right now, if it doesn't have to, like, close and tap back in. It can, like, print a super bearish candle on the 1 minute and we won't get our entry. But at the same time, if it's not bearish yet, then it's better to just wait because it can easily pull back, go higher again. Let's see. 20 seconds. This is going to be such a fire trade. I smell it coming. Okay, our SL is going to go above the high here. Get ready. 2, 1. All right, I'm going in. Order filled. Order filled. SL above the high, targeting the first 30-minute gap, which is going to be at 3282.
We in or what?
Yes, sir. We in. 3282.
Let's run it. Let's run it, chat.
It's so hard on futures to determine where the gap is because it like looks a little different from.
Yeah.
There you go. 722.
You gotta try. Sometimes the micro contracts are a little cleaner.
Is that not what I'm on? Am I on the mini one?
Oh, actually, no, you are. You are.
I don't honestly even know the difference. Micro, and then it's mini. Mini is the other one.
Yeah, but that one just doesn't have an M in front of it, so that one would be just
GC.
a GC.
Got it. Okay, so we got a new FEG too. So not only do we have an order block, we also have a new for value gap and an IFEG. We just tapped into it. I'm going to add one more to my position.
Order filled.
Order filled. Okay, let's watch it. Let's watch it run now. Pretty confident in this, not going to lie. Hoping this doesn't sweep out the high here. Gonna make sure my SL is safe as well. Let's go.
Run it.
And then we're targeting the 30-minute gap. Chris, what you think about this setup? Rate it on a scale of 1 to 10.
Bro, this is fire. We got higher time frame delivery. We have that rebalance that we said on the higher time
4
frame.
hour.
4 hour. We have 3 different entry models on our lower time frame. Like, this is perfect.
What a fucking
Already
push.
Already
Guys,
running.
what a push. Beautiful reaction.
Yep, we
It's
got
a
an
sexy
order block,
mark.
we got a propulsion block, so now we should run. A lot of complicated words, but it's very simple. We're just trading the gap, we're trading off higher time frame, targeting just like literally for it to come back into one of these gaps. Just because it ran without tapping into any of them. And even though it might go higher, I think it would want to tap into a gap before going higher. Order failed. Order failed.
Let's go, Bryce. Might have to hit up JP, but he didn't treat us well last time, so.
Literally. JP used us as liquidity to get into his positions. IFEG plus order block is money. Money, money. Come on. This is why you always got to put your SL above the high, just in case it wants to like sweep up above the FEG. But we obviously don't want to see this happen, you know? We want to see it stay below. We want to see it respecting the IFEG, respecting the FEG. Because there's also a fair value gap right here, a regular one. So if it closes above, like we're obviously disrespecting this one, that makes it a little dangerous to be in this trade. Come on. Come on, that's not what we want to see. I know we can get some sell side. We did get a rebalance. We can definitely get some sell side from here. Come on. I know this can be so close to my SL. Okay, I'm gonna just get rid of these because they were obviously just disrespected, but we might get a new IFEG right here. We might still be in the setup. Come on. I really don't want to hear order filled right now.
Someone said no magnet, that's the issue.
Come on, come on. Order filled. Order filled. Okay, come on. Print a bearish candle. Print a fat bearish candle, please. Please, please. really like it. Did sweep out some highs right now?
Giving me PTSD.
There you go.
Gosh.
There you go. Come on, close below it.
IFEG.
I know we needed to close below because this is a bullish FEG.
Guys, this is why I talk shit on gold.
Nah, bruh. It literally let us stay in the trade, bruh. JP let us stay in the trade. We got this. Come
Which
on.
is very nice.
We
We
got
just need to
this.
set the IFEG.
Come on. As long as it closes below, bruh. Please, come on.
Because price looks really good, but you guys don't know how many times I've been in gold and price just fucking wakes up, liquidates me, and then runs my direction.
I know, right?
If I ever have beef.
That's why, low-key, we gotta have some breathing room. I think that just took me out. That's unfortunate. I don't know why the futures chart isn't moving. It's
Order
not moving.
filled.
There you go. Unfortunate. Okay. I mean, we still got confirmation. We got a pretty good, like, setup. And our stop loss was pretty tight. It was just the fact that, like, maybe this isn't the right time yet. 4 hours still has 40 minutes to close. That's a little unfortunate that the first setup ended up getting wicked out so fast. We had such a good opportunity to run down right here. Like, it literally was respecting everything. Order block, new fair value gap that formed right here. And this looked so good. All it had to do was pull down a little lower. But price looks like it's pretty bullish right now. I'm still going to keep an eye on this one. In the case that we do run down one more time, I'm still willing to take this setup.
Mark,
Yeah,
where do you think NASDAQ is going?
let's go check it out.
Off topic. But,
Yeah, that's an interesting conversation to have. So honestly, I think it's gonna reverse right now and just give us like a little lower sell. Probably, I'm gonna aim for this today, in today's range. No, I'm just kidding. That's crazy, bro.
literally, we're watching history right now.
Shouldn't gold be flying down though? Cause NQ's going up. Come on, what's happening, man?
Yeah, it should be actually.
That's what makes me even more bearish, you know. But it's not. It's acting up. Let's go.
One day, soon, we're gonna have all 70 of you guys in a room.
That's
all
true.
70. As long as you're
The
a
OGs.
OG member.
Okay, I'm gonna get in again off this because this is a pretty solid liquidity sweep. I'm still bearish. NQ's flying up. Come on. It sucks that it's closing above and respecting it. This would be
What
the
the
last
dollar?
like sell setup until I'd probably look for more longs on the daily time frame. Because we still have a long way to go to this target. I think this can happen by the end of the day or during the news event. You know, we got NFP still, and I'm overall bearish. But there's obviously going to be buy side because of the way that the daily candle closed today. Ten, 9. Let's keep an eye on this one. It might run down even lower. 5, 4, 3. Okay, I'm going in again. SL above the high.
Order filled.
Order failed. There you go. Let's run it. Let's make this back. We lost 700 on that trade. I only need however much I need to pass, like 1800. So I'm gonna low-key just aim for that. The fact that it ran up a little bit higher gives us a little more opportunity to aim for sells. Let's see if it closes below this one as well. Might layer in some more positions if it closes below and taps back into it.
Looks like a fire trade, honestly.
Yeah. I mean, we have the 4 hour, you know? We probably just got in a little early. It still wanted to sweep out, which is totally fine. You shouldn't be afraid of taking a second setup. If you're confident in it, you still get your model. 9, 8. I'm not too worried about it pulling back a little bit because this candle has no wick. So if it pulls back a little bit, I think this is the highest that it's going to go. Nice, nice liquidity sweep. Let's get a second IFG here. And then we'll probably go break even once it comes down below this low. Because that's a lot of liquidity. $35, $34, $33. Keep running. Oh yeah, for sure, full port. Just kidding. Needs to close below. I traded this morning on the New York session. Hey, whose dog is that? Iceman. That's lucky a sick dog. But is he eating some Nerf gun? Nerf gun bullets? The kids are shooting Nerf gun bullets at the dog. Nice, we closed below it. You guys see that? We smooth sailing now. I want to see a tap to add more positions. Like, that's my rules. If I want to add more positions, I always want to see the tap. I want to be more patient when I'm adding more risk to a position. But this is good. This is good. There you go. We tapped. I got some nice pullback. I'm going to add 5 more.
Order filled.
Order filled. Only need 1,800. Now that should be at our target as well. A little bit lower. Nice. Rebounds closing below that. And I wouldn't be too worried if it came up here either. As long as it like would only tap into this and then run down. Oh, all this cold water that I'm drinking making me cold, bro. I'm literally shivering right now. I'm shivering. Come on. Chris, you in? You in, Chris?
Yeah, I'm 200 lots in right now.
200 lots? Yeah.
200
There you go.
lots. Something
I see the volume coming in from your 200 lots that you just placed.
Something like
Thank you, Chris. Thank you, Chris.
Where do you find that? Yeah, I've been holding sell for like 4 hours. Bro, that's nothing. I hold sells for weeks. I'd be like...
Bro still has a sell from all-time highs.
Yeah, and guess how much lots that sell was? Guess how much lots?
All right, boys. I'm out of here. I'm
2,000.
gonna let this run up a bag, but I'll see y'all
Alrighty, set your TP, Nick.
Yeah.
Let's go.
later. Later.
Thanks for hopping in. Mortgage is due Friday. Gonna flip it now.
Traders.
Yeah, gotta flip the mortgage. Mortgage payment ain't no joke, bro. This is easy, bro. This is easy. Chris, when do we go break even? Come on. When do we go break
Dude,
even?
we're
Chris?
running. You might want to go break even soon. Like right now.
All right, let's go. We're break even. Already, if I close now, we make up the losses, but I ain't no sissy boy. Come on. What are we aiming for? Let's make some more space here. 30-minute time frame. I gotta use the restroom. All that water I've been drinking starting to hit me. I also want to make sure I don't get stopped out here. I'm gonna leave a little bit of room, 100, just so I don't get stopped out while I'm in the restroom. Whoo-wee. Bear back.
Alright, guys. Mark is gone.
No, I'm not gone. Use code Marky.
Oh.
Use code Marky when you're buying accounts. Don't listen to Chris, all right?
No, Chrissy. use code Chrissy. Or big bro. Little bro. Nick's code is little bro, so make sure you guys use Nick's code. Wasn't at the computer. for
Don't
this
use
one.
Nick's code.
I'm just sitting in the garage with the dog watching you guys. That's what's up. Bro, I low key in the mornings. You guys usually don't see her, but sometimes my dog just be back there, just learning how to become profitable. Literally. All right, guys, we're absolutely running. 1 minute looks perfect. Our closure is super clean. So this next candle on the 30 minute, we just started it about 2 minutes ago. That should absolutely just run lower to some of our gaps that we're looking at. We'll see how it goes. Alerts and keeping busy.
I'm so cold, bruh.
TP.
I'm gonna look at turn the AC off.
If you're looking from like a technical standpoint right now, you should be watching the 30 minute on the left side. There's that little gap in the middle. We're aiming for like right around there. I think Mark has it set for like to pass his account, but like just on a technical basis, that's what we're aiming for.
Yeah, I'll obviously adjust, take off partials, and only leave a little bit running.
Yo, where'd you get that hoodie from, Mark?
Nah, this ain't my hoodie. My hoodie's got God's creation on it. God's creation,
That's
low
very
cross on the wrist. This is just a pretty solid hoodie. Nice and comfy.
Yeah, tomorrow, we're gonna run up accounts.
Tomorrow during gear stream or what?
Yeah,
Cap.
no cap here.
Are you guys gonna be here often at the same time? That's kind of dope. Nah, Chris, usually at 5 o'clock he has plans with his girlfriend.
Yo, you don't gotta call me out like that. They're business meetings, okay?
He should
It's
have
an
just.
investment in
He
my
should
future.
spend more time with me. Always finding reasons to do something
Yeah.
else. What do we tap into? What is this? Daily FEG. Oh snap! We tapped into the daily FEG. Oh snap! Oh snap! Oh no! Okay, now that I'm back, I'm not so. It's not so bad to go break even. 'Cause I'm not trying to get stopped out now. Oh, there's actually a little rebalance. I'm gonna keep it above the high. I'm fine with taking a little loss now that I think about it. Another rebalance right here on the 5 minute. I don't want to get out at break even if it just rebalances and starts going lower. But if it goes higher than this, then I'm obviously cooked. I'm taking a loss, but I'm fine with that. I think it's gonna go down here still. But it didn't even rebalance. It created a new 5 minute gap. There you go, that's good. Good amount of sell side. Business as usual. I know for a fact Chris is playing Clash Royale right now. Just kidding. We all know what you're doing, Chris, okay? We all know what you're doing.
Texting my
Yeah,
friend
business
from
meeting,
Ethiopia.
Oh, really? That's funny.
No.
5 minute FEG. Okay, well, that is just kind of like, what the hell is going on, man? Whole lot of buy side just off the daily FEG. So I might be getting stopped out here. Unless it pulls back and respects this thing, but it's not looking like it, especially with that volume of buy side from the daily. Let me just make sure that it actually tapped the daily and I didn't mark it out incorrectly. It would just give me some more confidence. Now that I definitely tapped. Remember that no wick candle I was talking about earlier? Just tapped. And this is our last resort, last source of defense before the zombies take over. Who got taken out at break even? Clash tourneys? Yeah, we should low-key do that. I'm actually pretty good. Not gonna lie. 2 losses? Nah, bro. We ain't losing 2 times. What are you talking about? Who's losing? Tapped out the no wick candle. Tapped into the IFEG up here. The first one that I took the trade off of in the first place. We chilling, guys. 5-minute FEG's about to get respected too. I don't know who's panicking. I'm not panicking. You guys see that? 5-minute about to be respected. 1 minute 30 seconds will determine whether we respect this 5-minute or not, and hopefully we print one more candle that just like runs down, taps into the 30-minute. I get out with a little bit more than what I lost. Maybe like I'd be content with like 1,000 until the next trade that I can take, because I don't have to pass the account in one trade. I can pass it later today. There's gonna be plenty of opportunities, like even in the morning. If we come up here or we tap into the next like level, definitely no rush. 1 minute left. That's a little unfortunate. Thirty seconds until the close. I mean, it's definitely not going to respect the 5-minute. Let's stop overcomplicating it. I'm in my trade. I have my SL. I have my TP. Just going to watch it run. See if it takes us out or hits TP. Chris, how you doing today?
I'm doing alright.
Doing alright?
Craving some food right now.
Would you be doing better if this hit your TP?
Yeah, most definitely. Like 10 bands better. 10 bands better.
Literally me too. About to make a solid ban on this trade. I'm not content until that happens. Alright, guys? It disrespected the 5-minute though, Chris. Are you scared? Because I'm scared.
No.
Oh,
it's gonna follow the higher time.
You mind dropping another 200 lots on this trade?
Oh yeah, I got you. Auto field.
Auto field. Alright, I'm about to place it, guys. Auto field. You guys heard that? Auto field.
That was me.
Auto field.
Yeah, that was me.
Chris, place a trade. Auto field. You see that? He just dropped 5 positions, so lock in, guys. It tapped in too. Oh yeah, nah. It didn't tap nothing actually. Oh my goodness, why is it taking so long? Why is it chopping around? Why is it chopping around? I have to go in 20 minutes, by the way.
Marky, I have a question.
Yeah, what's up?
Is it undisciplined for a guy like me to eat some pizza? Is it a bad thing?
Considering that I've had about 2 boxes of pizza this week, I definitely say yes, it is undisciplined of you to eat pizza. Why are you eating pizza, bro? Lock in. Just because I ate pizza doesn't mean... You can't compare my day 10,000 to your day 100, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because I'm a level 100 mafia boss, so I can eat pizza.
Got it. I got like canned tuna and eggs. So
Yeah, there you go. Oh my goodness, bro. What is this bullish candle? What are you guys eating today? I'm low-key starving. I'm so hungry. Deep dish or New York style?
Eating on this gold trade.
Just a regular pizza. This guy's making you hungry in the chat. He said deep dish or New York style.
Dude, deep dish. I've only had it once, but it like real deep dish, but it's gas.
Yeah, I've had it in New York as well. It was like some dry. Probably been standing there for a little. Wasn't the best experience, but I even had it in New York, so the regular pizza in New York was definitely much better. Okay, this can make me crash out, bro. What are you waiting on? Chris, this is a balanced price range, right? If there's a FEG and a IFEG right over each other?
Yeah.
So if it closes below this, that would be low-key fire, huh? It probably wouldn't come
That'd be
down.
awesome.
So it's probably just waiting to create the... It's probably just waiting to create the FEG right here, and then it'll run down, if we're correct about the bias. Otherwise, it's probably just bullish. Like, it literally tapped the daily. Oh, so I would probably adapt in terms of, like, looking for longs. If we... Oh, I now understand it. See what we're doing here, Chris?
I don't know. I just
15-minute IFEG is about to form in 30 seconds.
I see.
This one might actually give us some buy side. The thing about trading like IFEGs, the gaps that we're using to take shorts, is like they work really well. It's like one of the best confluences you can use if your bias is correct. And like our bias might just be incorrect due to the fact that market wants to run up first. And like I do think that it has room to go up, but I want to see it tap into one of these like higher time frame bullish FEGs, at one of these gaps that it made on the way up. That would at least give, like, it would take out all these buyers that got in and then give room for new buyers to get into the market. So this is a balanced price range. We want to see it close below this and not come back into it. Let's go, guys. We can catch a banger. I know we're going to catch a banger still. Like, I believe in this setup. As much as it's, like, pissing me off right now, I believe in this setup. I think it's going to hit. I think I'm even going to pass my account on this trade. Let's go. This time, once it comes down below the low, I'm going break even for good because this is going to be below this balanced price range, which is what me and Chris just talked about. And we're tapping into a bullish 15-minute IFEG. So I do not want to be in this setup any more than... Like, it's not safe to go break even yet, but I don't want to be in the setup anymore. The fact that we just tapped into this bullish confluence means that it can run up easily. But if it closes below this, then we might still have a chance in the setup. What do you think, Chris? We just tapped into a bullish IFG. 15-minute time frame.
We have a chance.
We already chose, right? We already chose to take shorts. We gotta stick with it.
Yeah, there's no reason to flip. No, we're delivering from like the hourly order block for value gap. We're in a premium. Like, there's no reason why we should have to trade higher right now.
True. Especially after all that buy side, no sell side. Ooh, mama. Look at what somebody sent in the chat though. Tommy3, literally 2 boxes of pizza. I love Domino's, bro. I love Domino's. And somebody said, "Damn, Big Mac." Rice Ninja, come on, man. He's just trying to eat some food. Hey, you guys remember how we had 70 people in here? Just so you guys know, I appreciate you guys so much more than all those people that dipped when Nick dipped. Those guys are our ops, okay? I will remember each one of their names. I'm just kidding. I love all of you guys.
I'm not going cap. I'm gonna go grab some food real quick.
Now that it's just me. What? Now that it's just me and Chris, guys, it's time to plug the page. It's time to tag the channel. Tune in, bro. This is our Instagram page. Two more minutes until I'm out of this trade, because screw that, man. I've been making some banger videos too. Hey, already added it. I'm gonna be doing giveaways as well with my live trading broker. I literally just talked with them like literally today about arrangement to do giveaways on live accounts. So think about it, like everybody who would sign up under my broker link is just eligible for a cash giveaway. You get cash in your broker account and you get to trade with it. And that's kind of crazy because like even like $50 for somebody that, you know, $50 means a lot to, that works. But on there you also got a bonus system. So if you deposit, that $50 turns into $100. Flip that, John. It's different from like a prop firm account. Like you full port that, you can withdraw it right away. You know what I mean? So those kind of giveaways definitely at a different level. Okay. One more minute. No. Oh, no. I really just want to be out of this trade because I'm no longer confident in it. Just because we got that bullish confirmation. And we're not closing below this. It's a very difficult decision right now. Do I pay attention to what price action is doing, or do I just let it run because that was my initial bias? There's still a reason for it to potentially go down. Very difficult question. I think I just take the L so I don't regret it. It's not a part of my system to switch up on my day ones. This was my day one trade, you know what I mean? Can't be switching up on my day ones. I got my SL and TP. I'm gonna head out. It's 3:48 for me. All right, Henry. Bless. Good luck on the trade. Get some sleep. Catch you in the next stream. I sold now, bro. Bro, hold. Hey. Don't tell me what to do, man. I'm trying my best. This is just looking so bullish, bro. It could have closed below. And kept going lower. Almost killed the fly that's been bugging me all day, man. I have to go in 10 minutes, by the way. But you guys know what I'm looking for, so let me break it down for you guys one more time before I go. Leave you guys with something. Shoot me a DM on Instagram. Drop a follow on my page, because I'll be posting about the setup a little bit later as well. What I do with it. But what am I looking for on the higher time frame? So in terms of the daily, like I said, we're running from a daily bullish for value gap. Like this is very bullish, right? As soon as we opened, we expanded bullish. The immediate rebound's the same thing that we were looking for on the 4 hour. That's exactly what I'm looking for on the daily time frame. I'm looking for it to drop all the way here. And the only reason I'm selling in the first place is because I was looking for a little bit of a pullback before it runs higher. I was seeing like we finally hit the 4 hour target. We can definitely get some sell side before running down. And it's just been a little choppy and not moving anywhere. So I don't understand why it doesn't want to do that. But definitely, like we also swept some lows. We're definitely able to run higher here. And this would be what I'm looking for on the daily. Potentially this gap here. And then I'm just looking for some opportunity to enter. Because I don't just want to see it run up without like any confirmation. Like here on the 30-minute, we have a gap right here. On the 1 hour, we have a gap. I'll use those as confirmation when it gets there. That's what I'm looking for. For now, if it does sell, I'm looking for a little bit of a pullback into the 1 hour gaps. This is a 1 hour gap. And this is a 1 hour gap. So if it does pull down here, that's dope. You know? That's what I'm looking for. All right, guys. Catch you guys in the next stream. Thank you all for tuning in. Seriously, I appreciate it. I have fun doing this. Sharing my trades, showing you guys my journey, cooking up some profits, showing you guys that you can do it too. Yeah, I'm excited for Legacy to launch soon. W in the chats for the stream. Chris is gonna come back and there's nobody gonna be in here. I guess you guys can wait. I mean, he's probably gonna dip as soon as he realizes that I'm gone. W's. Alright, love you guys. I'm catch you guys next time.